Yani kugomerwo na njira nene ni giko kia mashini oro mwe na computer kuumana na wongerereku kana giko giki kiria kirathie na mbere na guthukia maria maturigiciirie na oho kana kuiga ugima wa mwiri wa muingi hatika-ini ni undu uria ugicongereire thirikari ya Kenya gukorwo ikiuga ati ni kuigithia makiria ma ciringi millioni 850 gutigira ati ni akihurana na giko giki na kiria gikigomeire nginyagia gitaru kia Afrika iri yothe kuringana na minister wa maria maturigisheirie ni Soipantuya augite ati ni makorwo magiaka iganda cia gutigirira ni makiungania giko giki na gukorwo magitwara kana gukorwo makiungania na kunyihanyihia giko giki.
The Africa Environmental Health and Pollution Management in our country, whose objective is to reduce environment and human health risks by improving management of e-waste in our country. Kenya as a country generates 51.3 thousand tons of e-waste per year. 99% of this are not collected, nor are they recycled.
Looking through the program objectives, which include reducing exposure to mercury and the UPOP's pollution at pilot sites, strengthening the institutional capacity to manage and regulate mercury use in artisanal small-scale gold mining. Globally, the main e-waste recycling facilities are only 2 of them in Europe, none in Africa. But we are also pleased to say that Kenya is fronting itself to lead the way in partnership with the World Bank, with CONSA and NEMA to establish one of the state-of-the-art e-waste recycling facilities. We have seen demonstrations where waste is turning into energy and running economies. We have seen demonstrated energy turning into wealth for our young people. All the young people we see around dam sites, in Nairobi, in Mombasa, in our major cities, there is lying there a potential.
Na ripoti